this is Garrett Derlin from Sealy & Derlin talking to our offices here at 13 Oakland Avenue in Warwick, New York. This is episode 2, and what I hope will be a long series of informational videos that we're going to send your way. Today, strap yourself in, because today we're talking about rental car coverage when you rent or when you get a loaner car. What do you need to think about? What do you need to do? So, in years past, we would always tell folks that had their personal automobile policy in New York State, hey, no problem. Liability extends to the rental vehicle. You do not need to purchase it. And physical damage, if you have physical damage coverage on one vehicle on your policy, then hey, that extends too. Well, same is true for liability, but physical damage has got a little twist these days. The last year to 2 years, what companies are doing is that they are charging clients who are involved in an unfortunate accident with a rental car loss of business income due to that car being laid up because of the loss and because of the repairs. This can amount to thousands of dollars, and we're seeing a lot of insurance companies not pay that. They're actually, by letter of the policy, not obliged to pay that. They pay for the direct physical damage to the car. They're not obliged to pay for the loss of use. So that has got us really advising our clients and anybody who's listening to this, purchase the physical damage coverage. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Loaner cars. Recently, I have a business vehicle. I took it down to the dealership, and they gave me a loaner car. On that agreement, I just want to read to you. It says, customer is currently insured under the following automobile liability policy. That's, and they list our policy there. Which policy customer represents applies to and covers his or her temporary operation of the loaner vehicle and agrees shall be primary in the event of property damage or personal injury caused to third parties. So that's really solidifying the fact that they're saying, hey, while I'm driving their vehicle, my policy is going to be primary. So I better make sure that my policy is going to pick it up. In this case, on a business automobile policy, on a personal automobile policy, you're fine. Your liability will extend. On a business automobile policy, you have to make sure you have the right symbol of liability coverage. You have to make sure that hired and unowned coverage is included, and if you have symbol 1, any auto, then you're fine. That's all well and good. Lastly, international coverage when you're going abroad and you're renting a car. Strongly urge you to pick up the phone and talk to your insurance professional, talk to your insurance carrier about where you're going. Coverage does differ from company to company and from territory to territory. So you definitely want to pick up the phone and make sure that coverage would extend, or if you have to purchase the coverage. Another personal experience not too long ago, we went abroad to Europe and I ended up, of course, buying everything. I bought everything because I just didn't want to have the headache. And it's a good thing I did. I purchased the additional physical damage coverage to waive the deductible that they include on there. And actually, the agent at the Avis counter urged me that it's a good idea to do it on the very narrow roads of Ireland. And it's a good thing because we ended up having a little mishap. It was just us, and it was not that grave, but I was happy that I purchased all the coverage. So with that, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 845-986-1177. Always happy to answer a question, always happy to help you out, and wishing you a great day. Bye-bye.